The default download folder in Steam is C drive, but sometimes you may need to move the games to another drive. This is me, Hemant. You are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to tell you how to do that. Click on the Steam icon at the top left corner of the screen and then select Settings. Now, click on Storage, and here you will see all the games that you have stored in the Steam library. Now we have two drives, C and E. Now if I want to move, for example, Counter-Strike 2 to C drive, I'll just check mark it, click on Move, and then select the drive. To add another drive, click on Drives and then select Add Drive. Now you can see we have D drive and F drive. If I want to select the F drive, just select the F drive and click on Add. In this way, you can change the game's location on Steam. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.